Nid yw'r hyn rydych ar fi'n gwylio yn y raglen hon ar gyfer rheini sy'n wan galon. Rhywsut mae'r artistiaid yma wedi llwyddo i ysgogi chwant, hiwmor, noethni ac i fod yn onest â chi, cyfog. Dyma'r cyfle olaf i chi glicio ar raglen arall. Na, peidiwch dweud na gafwch chi rybydd.
Mae'n un noson dywyll yn Mae Caerdydd, ac mae cwfen drag gore Cymru Rag wedi atgyfodi. Gyda help llaw Aneurin Heaven a Ceri Grafu. Mae'r cyhoedd dan swyn, as dim dweud beth i gwydydd nesaf. Croeso i'r Crypt Cabaret. Mae Noson Calan Gayaf.
Well, je suis mignon. You know, dwi'n very gorgeous. Fy enw I Bopa. Dwi'n brenhines. Ydw? Dwi'n byw yn y drwybed. O, no, dim. No, dim. I lie. Dwi'n byw yn driogi. Dwi'n ffermyr. Mae'n sheep llawer o hwn, you know. Dwi'n hoffi gweithio ar ffermwr.
Oes gen ti profiad spooky Halloween?
No.
Fath o queen yw fi yw fel just big slut, dwi'n meddwl ne. Enw fi yw CeCe. Dwi'n dod o Sir Benfro yn Tidreth a oedran, 28.
Oes gen ti ysbrydoliaeth i CeCe?
Na.
Oes gen ti killer Halloween line?
No. Peth mwyaf spooky sydd wedi digwydd I fi bod fel, so mae'n fel ysbryd sy'n cerdded dros fel y marsh yn Tidreth, Lavender Lady. She's got a God-given head, a mae'n edrych ar ôl ei knees achos bydd e cael ei saethu yn y knees. A when I wedi gweld e. It's true. Everyone knows it. Dwi'n meddwl bod y peth sy'n neud fi sefyll mas o'r Cwîns arall yw bod fi'n polished.
Mae'r gweddill Cwîns ddim yn polished?
Na, it's just fi.
I'm a spooky gal and you don't want to meet me in a dark alley, darling. Fy enw I ydi Oberon, dwi 32 oed, a dwi'n byw yng Nghymru. Well, I would say I'm sort of the performance arty queen of the group. Just an ooky, spooky, all-round weirdo. I'm weirdo and proud, darling.
Big titty ymyn.
Queens!
Everyone shut the fuck up! I hope you got that on camera. Hello, dwi'n Lasagne, dwi'n 39 oed a dwi'n dod o Sir Benfro.
Ydi Sir Benfro yn rhan o Lasagne?
Ie, mae'n cheesy, meaty, literally lamb lasagne dwi.
Be mae Cŵm Rag yn golygu ti?
Paycheck. So I wneud am hwyl ysbri? I don't actually fucking like Halloween, to be honest.
So my name is Vanessa What? My name is Cross Nessa the Cross-Dresser Jenkins. There's only one person that inspires me. She's a socialist. She's an icon. Some people call her the angel, Charlotte Church. Truth be told, I do have a wide mouth. I can put my fist in it. If you want me to demonstrate, it will cost you.
How much?
£5. We got £5. Lovely. Thank you. That'll do, won't it? That's all I got.
Sut mae'n pawb yn teimlo am hyn o te?
Cyffroes. Ie. Ond nerfus achos mae wedi gwerthu allan.
Ie, mae lot o pobl yn dod.
Ie.
Sut ydych gyda pants sbar?
Yw'r the pants?
Ie, boy pants.
Reina ha.
Ti'n gyda byw?
A treiglo. Ie.
Oh my God, I'm so stressed.
Yeah, go for it.
Cos ble mae dri?
Does that do?
You know it is.
Mae lot yn mynd yn wrong ambell I waith fod fe yn y sioeau.
I ddechrau fan hyn.
Hey! Fun times ahead! Lesbian Menenda.
Hon yw fel mae stori ni yn dechrau. Yn y stryd queer, wel, wed ti a wedd e mor queer.
Yn y tŷ, queer, with na staircase, queer.
And in the queer cellar, there was a nasty bunch of dirty fucking fucking queers! And they're called Cŵm Rag! Oh my God, look at all the such beauty, Together we are Cŵm Rag, are you ready for a show? Spooky, spooky. This is Noson Calan Gayaf. This next act, mae hi'n bert iawn. Voice. Mae hi'n llawer o hwyl. Mae hi'n Bopa! I put a spell on you because you're mine. I put a spell on you because you're mine. Do you want to wish for anything? Who laid this instrumental? Put a spell on you. Because you're mine. Heliconomic, heliconomic, heliconomic. I don't care if you don't want me. Because right now I put a spell on you. Because you're Who's next?
Any old iron, scrap metals, cookers, dishwashers, any old iron, in the ruin iron, calonnau hyn bronnau, in the ruin iron, hyn pot, hyn cot, hyn bike, neu anything you've got. Waste not, want not, ydyn ni gyd yn marw.
Please give it up for Aneurin Heaven!
Oh, what's occurring? You might think I'm a character from a BAFTA award-winning TV show. But actually, I'm a cursed and cursed spirit, forced to wander the earth and encounter the torturous ways of men. Yeah, you know, don't you? You know, don't you love? Yeah, you got a story as well, ain't you? You in the book. Berlin, 1843. It was my first time seeing Karl Marx for quite some time. Oh, Karl, great comrade in the streets, a warped and troubled character in the sheets. We had a night of revolution after revolution in our post-coital political dissection. I said to him, I got this theory I have. Been working on it. It's called communism. Working title. The next morning, I was awoken the victim of a coup. It was a coup of the heart. Yeah. That bastard Karl Marx had stolen my ideas. Right, you've got to go. I'm doing security down Pulse.
I'm going to take you through a guided meditation this evening. I've recently come back from my gap year in Goa. That's not even a joke. Everybody close your eyes. Close your fucking eyes. Ydych barod. Barod am rim job. Peidiwch a bod yn swil, gallaf ei weld yn eich llygaid. Ymlaciwch, taflwch eich coesau I fyny yn y awyr. Peidiwch a'ch syni pan fyddaf yn cysanau eich cliniau. Ha ha. Roedd Evan virgin. Fucking fridge. Nawr mae ei eisiau drwy'r amser. Bear with. Keep your eyes closed. Barod am rim job. A ydych chi'n barod? Barod am, and this is Google Translate, swydd y mil. Question mark. Ti'n mynd I lyfo Dwi'n addo. That's just a snippet of what I did in my gap year in Goa. Sa'n meddwl bod ti wedi gweld rhywbeth fel hon nawr sy'n dod lan. Give it up for Lasagne and Ceri Grafu!
Sex positions bingo! Oh, mae Lasagne yn joio o dynion fel ad. Mes i'n dod
26. Jobyn chwthu. Ardderchog. Reit, dyma ni gyn arall.
Pwy sy'n tynnu'r bagi'r rif nesaf boys?
Oh my god. Fucking twli am on. 69.
Gwaith o'r cael, dwi'n caru ti. Diolch yn fawr, fi fi'n Cwm Rag, fuck off!
Right, nos da, amser adael. Bantwch chi. Go away. Cael